In this video, I will show you how to add Phantom Wallet to Firefox. So you are going over to the website phantom.com, and from the home screen you can already click on this button, download for Firefox, but you can also click on download at the top right, and then here you can manually select Firefox. So let's do this. And right now in this screen, we are going to click on add to Firefox, and again click on add. As you can see, we have already added the Phantom Wallet to our Firefox. It's a really quick and easy process. And from here, you can go ahead and click on create a new wallet if you don't have one yet. Or when you do have one, you just click on this option and then you can add a seedless wallet, import a recovery phrase, or import a private key. So you will probably go with this one if you already have an account. You can use your Apple ID, Google, or email. Or when you want to log in with your recovery phrase or private key, you can also do that by clicking on these options. And you can access your recovery phrase and private key from your phone app. So that is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.